To prepare for cleaning, turn off the control unit and unplug it from its power source. Disconnect the air hoses from the garment and the control unit. Thoroughly wipe down the control unit and air hoses, including the hose ends, using a clean, damp cloth and a mild household soap, solution, or alcohol. See the VEST APX System instructions for use for a list of compatible cleaning solutions. Make sure there isn't excessive moisture on the cloth before using it to clean the control unit. Do not steam or spray clean the unit or air hoses. Pressure and excessive moisture could damage it and its electrical components. Inspect the control unit and the air hoses to make sure there is no visible soil remaining. If necessary, repeat these steps. To clean the outer garment, first use a piece of clear tape to remove any lint and fluff caught on the Velcro brand closures. Only wash the outer garment after the bladder has been removed. We recommend reconnecting the Velcro brand closures on the shoulders and sizing panel before washing to help maintain the quality of your garment. You can hand wash the garment or machine wash it in a cold cycle only with detergent. Do not machine wash or dry the bladder. Hang or tumble dry the garment on your dryer's lowest temperature. Cool iron as necessary, but do not iron the logo design. See the garment fitting video or the VEST APX System instructions for use for information about how to reassemble the garment after washing. Start cleaning the bladder by wiping it with detergent and warm water. Make sure to thoroughly clean the air hose connector port outlets. Do not use excessive liquid or harsh cleansers, and do not put the bladder in water or any solution. Remove any excess liquid with a dry cloth.